Hello lovely people. So today I'm going to be unboxing my writing pad. Okay, I'm going to be unboxing my writing pad just to give you a better experience in my online teaching. Okay, in fact, the past 1 year since I started this online teaching, I've gotten a lot of breathtaking reviews, even from students who just watch my videos, especially from YouTube and TikTok. You know, it's just been so amazing, and I am really grateful for that. So in order to celebrate that, I got this so that we can have a better experience. Okay, so let's unbox this. Let's see how this writing pad looks like so that we can have a better experience. All right, so let's unbox. I got this from Amazon, and it was supposed to be delivered tomorrow, being Monday, but I received it earlier yesterday, and I'm so impressed with the delivery speed. Oh my god, I'm so impressed with the size of this writing pad, because I wanted something that is going to give me a better online teaching experience, and I saw the small and the medium, but I went for this large size because I want something big, something comfortable, something that will be easy for me to use. And you know, okay, all right, so let's see how it looks. Let's see what I ordered versus what I received. Okay, so here it is. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is so beautiful. The packaging, it's so nice and so beautiful, but I'm much more concerned with the content of the material. Okay, I'm just so excited about this. Okay, all right, so there it is. Oh, just exactly how I wanted it to be. Here is it. Oh, isn't that breathtaking? Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is exactly the size I needed, because I've seen people who use the smaller size. It has this restriction when you are, trying to explain concepts, diagrams, and the rest of them. But this is just perfect. Not too big, not too small, just perfect. Oh, thank you so much, Amazon. And here is the cord, and as well the connection. Okay, so here also is a pen. The pen, I'm going to test all of them to ascertain its effectiveness. Okay, all right, so don't forget, something big is coming. Something very big is coming. You know, I love you guys. Thank you very much, all my followers. Thank you for believing in me and trusting me all this time. Thank you, and I love you. Bye.